Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So last video, I got hung up on that whole furniture flip bed frame thing. So long story short, I eventually did get the bed frame sanded down, painted. But then I also found a buyer, so I went ahead and got it flipped as well. I didn't record the whole process since it's my first time doing it. I made a lot of mistakes, and it was a really long process. I didn't really feel like recording and all that. But next time I do a furniture flip, I'll be sure to make a video of everything I did. That way you guys can, check it out and get a feel for it, for yourself. But mainly that's what's been keeping me, occupied. And, but recently I had some free time to go ahead and get started on that, Dollar Tree Halloween DIY. Today I used the pumpkin inserts, along with some other things I already had lying around. It's not a really complicated thing I did, but, as always, I try to keep it simple and, something that you can easily make at home yourself. So if you guys want to make anything that you see on these videos, I try to keep you guys in mind too. So if you want to make this one too, I'm pretty sure you're going to have fun doing it. You can follow along. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started.
Perfect. Perfect.